Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a Caribbean wedding centerpiece and setup. Here we go. So today I wanted to go back to my roots, although technically I am not from the Caribbean, I'm from Central America, I'm from Panama, but I always felt like Panama should have been in the Caribbean because we kind of look Caribbean more than Central American. But I am very excited to make this centerpiece. I love anything tropical, totally my thing. So I'm ready if you're ready. Let's get started. Get ready to watch the quickest centerpiece tutorial you're ever gonna see at the Tyra Perez project, because you know that my videos can be long, but not this one. This one is going to be pretty short, and mainly because my vase is already done. If you are a subscriber and a frequent, did I just say frequent? I did. And a frequent watcher of my videos, then you know that 2 weeks ago I made this vase for my Black Panther centerpiece and setup, and I made two of them. I made a gold one and I made a clear one, and I ended up using the gold one, so the clear one was left, and I did not want it to go to waste, so I am going to use it for this setup. The only thing that's different is that I added this clear salad plate from Dollar Tree to the bottom because I wanted, or I needed it to be more solid, because the tropical plants that I'm adding to the vase are a little heavier than the flowers I usually use. So all you have to do is apply E6000 to the bottom of the vase and place it right on top. E6000 is going to take 24 hours to bond, but better safe than sorry. If you want to watch the actual tutorial for this vase, I'm going to attach it at the end of this video. I'm also probably going to attach it to the top, but I don't want you to watch it now. Wait till the end of the video and then watch it. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and start with my floral arrangement. For this centerpiece, I'm not going to be using floral foam. I'm just simply going to place the plants right inside the vase. And the first plant I'm going to be using is the areca palm. This is a very popular plant, and you've probably seen these in videos and pictures and stuff like that. So very easy to find. Got 4 of these because I like to put 4 of everything. And I'm going to place 2 shorter ones in the middle and then 2 longer ones on the sides. And I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue so they can sit still. All right, just gonna add hot glue and try not to get the hot glue on these sides because it gets messy. So just hold it there for a bit. And I only cut about a quarter of the stem. The palms that I'm placing in the middle are going to be shorter than the ones on the sides. So there's one. These 2 are going to be a little longer, like I said earlier, and you are going to bend it a little. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna bend it a lot. And then you are going to add glue to the bottom again and place it inside. And by the way, these are from Michael's, and after the 50% discount, I ended up paying $5 for each palm. All right, so now you are going to grab the ones on the side And you are going to bring it over towards the front a little bit, but not quite. And you are going to add a little bit of hot glue there so they can stay there and not move. And they should look something like this. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my split leaves. And these are from Walmart, and I got 4 of them, and they were each $2. I cut about 1/4 of this stem, and I'm going to place it right in the middle. This one I'm not going to cut, I'm just going to place it right on here. Okay, just gonna bend it a little. It's a little snug in there, so right now I'm not placing any glue unless I feel like I do. So I'm just gonna leave it as it is. For the last one, I'm going to cut 1/4 off as well. Now I'm going to add pink orchids. I got these orchids from Walmart. They were each $5 per stem. And you can actually find cheaper orchids at, I believe Hobby Lobby has the cheapest I found for $2. They were not pink though, they were white with the yellow in the middle. Those are actually very pretty as well, but I fell in love with this one and I thought $5 was totally worth it. So that was $20 for 4. So I'm going to place it right here in the middle. All right, I need to cut it shorter. So I'm pretty much cutting 3/4 of the stem. All right, so I'm just gonna position it here in the middle. So I am going to stop right now because the centerpiece as it is over my budget. I try to stay at $50, and right now this is $52. It's $48 with flowers alone, and it's totally worth it though. It's so pretty. Okay guys, this is it. This is my Caribbean wedding centerpiece, and I love it. It is so tropical. It screams destination wedding. It screams island wedding, and I just want to take a vacation right now. I would have loved for it to have been much fuller, but like I said, I have to stick to my budget. It's a must. I may add some things to the bottom of this centerpiece. I have a couple of smaller leaves that I'm going to use for my setup, so I may add a couple of those to the bottom of the centerpiece. Other than that, I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it right now. Also, if you know someone that can use this centerpiece, make sure to share it with them at the end of this video, and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of my centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway because I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. Until next time.